In this section, we are going to discuss conditional and loops in Ansible. Let's start from the handlers. Handlers allow you to perform some task after the target task returns change result. So here we can see this in example. Uh, like this example will generate template with the name template. At the first execution, this task will return result changed. It will be in yellow color. And this change will trigger this notify called Nginx handler. And at the end of the playbook, this handler will be called. And currently, our handler is doing Nginx restart. So after template will be generated and change something, Nginx will be restarted. And if like we are going to run this playbook for the second time, template is already exist on the target host, so nothing will be changed and Nginx won't be restarted. And next part of the conditional loops is condition when. When is allow you to run the specific task only if condition is true. So currently, like the same task and in previous example, it will generate the template, and but it has additional argument called when, and it has value config nginx. Config nginx it's a variable, and if like this variables is do not have like any value, that mean like this task will be executed only if this variables is true or if its variable exists. But if this variable is not exist or it has value false, this task won't be executed. And with items. With items is the loop in the Ansible, so it will allow you to have a list of items and perform some task for this item. So currently we have also the template module, and we have with items argument, and it has some list of value called config1 j2, config2 j2, config3 j2. All this value is the templates. And in the source there is the Ansible variables called item. Item that means that this is the item from with item list. So it will run like this will create template 3 times for each item from the with item list. So let's see this in practice.